Stop scrolling. Unlock InVideo AI Premium for free. 100% legit. No cracks, no shady keys. Real methods only. Here's your 60-second blueprint. Let's go. No shady keys. I'm sharing tactics used for legit SaaS or run by InVideo and partners. Your mileage may vary. Double-check current terms. Cool? 1. Start with the official free tier and trials. InVideo often provides a free plan and limited-time trials. Create an account and verify your email. Look for Try Premium. Look for AI credits. Look for upgrade trial prompts inside the dashboard. If you don't see a trial, join their newsletter and product updates. Trials and boosts show up around launches and big sales. 2. Seasonal promos and annual stacking. Black Friday, New Year, back-to-school windows. Brands often drop 20 to 60% off for annual plans. Pair that with first-time user coupons from socials, newsletters, or product posts. If the math works out, free months or near-free effective cost. 3. Education and nonprofit perks. If you've got a .edu email, reach out to support. If you're part of a registered nonprofit, reach out. Keep the message short. Who you are, how you'll use it, and proof of eligibility. 4. Referral or partner credits. Some platforms reward credits when a friend signs up or via partner links. Check referral pages. Check affiliate or ambassador pages. Peek the app's Earn Credits tab. Peek the Invite tab. If credits cover premium time or AI generations, you win. 5. Beta programs and feedback loops. Join their Discord. Join the community forum. Join waitlists. Companies grant premium access to active testers who file useful feedback. Be helpful. Report bugs clearly and share examples, and you'll often get temporary premium or bonus credits. Creator giveaways and bundles. Follow InVideo's channels and partner creators. Enter giveaways. Look for bundle codes tied to launches. Verify the host's authenticity before entering. Corporate or school budgets. If you make videos for work or school, ask about a software budget. Phrase it as ROI. This saves X hours weekly and improves output. Many teams cover the license. Card offers and cashback portals. Check your bank's offers, like statement credits, before you pay. Check reputable cashback portals. Sometimes you get a large chunk back. Bonus, mix and match. Start free, join community, wait for sales, and stack a referral or card offer. Important, avoid cracked versions. 2. Good to be true lifetime keys and unverified third-party sellers. They can inject malware or get your account banned. If you want, I can link check current promos in the description and pin updates when big sales drop. Comment your situation. Student, nonprofit, solo creator, and I'll point you to the best legit route. Like if this helped, sub for more value-first tools and deal breakdowns.